Dear Diary, remember all those times I sat and prayed for my soulmate to arrive? Well, finally, my prayers were answered. I know that this is the one because I feel it in my soul. He had to leave, but I'll wait forever.
For the first time, we spoke for hours, no resistance. Within that moment, only we two existed. We spoke about the happy and the sad. The first time our lips met, I knew I had it bad. Things were good, but then he said he couldn't stay. And as he walked, I said these words: don't take your love away. You know that my love is good. But if you must take your love away, I will be standing right here, waiting for you, love.
I met her at the bus stop. It was summertime, she was looking so hot. So I stepped to her and whatnot. We talked, asked for her number, said why not. So I called her and we conversated. After a while, me and her started dating. When I thought things were getting serious, she called me up and told me she could no longer do this.
Your love away. You know that my love is good. But if you must take your love away, I will be standing right here, waiting for you, love. I know you have to leave, but I want you here with me. So I'll let you go unselfishly, 'cause you'll be back if we are meant to be.